palabas.
Tapos sabi dito, ano, sa Guadalupe.
Oo. Patay mo na, maubos na yun.
Hi!
Pina-adjust din lang na pina-adjust.
Okay.
Masaya, picture ako. Ikaw rin, ako nag-picture.
Later, madala akong tubig. Akin na nga.
Saan magkaroon dito?
Sorry. So, di mo yung hat mo? Cute. Bubo tayo.
Ano? Sleeper pa.
Pero at least walang amoy, no?
Mekong River. Yeah, this is Mekong River. Have you ever heard about Mekong River before? Yes? No? Okay. So you know Mekong River is the 12th longest river in the world and 7th longest river in Asia. It starts from China, flows to Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, and Vietnam. And when it reaches to Vietnam, it's separated into two big chapters.
So, yung mga gustong tikman kahapon yun ah.
Langka.
Yan yung... Sorry. Ganda naman ang Bisay ko. Native na native. Pati accent, nakukuha na.
Is different from the durian. The durian will have the round shape and it's called a shepherd. Yeah, and the smell of the jackfruit is better than the smell of the durian. That's right. Don't like durian? I don't like
Yeah, binidyo ko na yun. Take a picture.
Selfie tayo.
Doon ka ng babayo ah. Diyan ka lang sa kadigilid ka lang. Hindi ka mababangga niyan. Tingnan dito ba, Soy? Yan, binibili mo ba, Soy? Water.
Dạ, uống ly nước cho mấy đứa nhài. Dạ.
Sa to? One.
Thêm half an hour. Cảm ơn.
20 pesos ito. 20 pesos sa pala to sa atin.
Okay, so the
one of the most important business on this island. Okay. They raise the beach. Okay.
Is that for manlyhood?
This one? So you can turn on your camera if you want to take a photos. If you want. Yeah.
Oh, titigil tayo. Oh my God!
Is that alive?
No.
No. Okay.
Nagalame mo.
Okay, so you see this is the dead body of the cobra.
Cobra.
Yeah, cobra.